Wow. That's a serious finesse.
What will happen?
Nada es más onion que noodles. And a piece of cardboard.
We're trying out food for the first time, guys. I got this.
What is that? Yum.
You can have some.
I made myself some egg rolls because
It's not enough. So
it's not enough food. Is that sauce thing good? Spicy?
It's kind of spicy.
Like a lot?
It's kind of spicy too, and you know I like spicy stuff. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So on today's video, we're gonna be doing like a snack tasting from like different places around the world. That we went to like the world market and we bought like different like chips and like mostly chocolate. Honestly,
Yeah,
that's what it
chocolate
was.
chips and crackers and stuff like that. And we bought this boozled jelly beans, and it's a little challenge. And they're 5 hottest jelly beans. It says caution, extremely hot, and all this stuff.
And
so,
not to do it if you have asthma, and she has asthma.
So I'm scared for this one, but we're gonna leave this one to last because if it's this extremely hot, I won't be able to handle. So let's leave that at the end and keep on moving with the first ones. Let's show them what we got. Shrimp chips.
I don't know, chips.
These
I don't know how
are
to pronounce
chips.
it.
These are chips from Italy that taste like the sandwich. And then we got Snowballs. They're coconut covered marshmallows.
And then we got some strawberry cream cookies.
Then we got a chocolate from France. I guess it's just salted caramel chocolate, but it's from France. So
We got this honeycomb one.
and we got these, but these are from Austria, so they might have a different taste. Let's see. And then we got a cucumber sparkly water.
It sounds
Ew,
pretty nasty.
that
Huh?
sounds really nasty.
Okay, then we got this. This is like a orange lemonade cola.
And then we got a sriracha dark chocolate. Ugh. Then we got this just bubbly chocolate.
Product from Germany.
So this chocolate is from Germany, so we're gonna taste it.
And then we got these Kinder ones, which I didn't forget. Oh, the other ones. This is from Germany, I think, too.
And then this we're not gonna taste, but I just wanted to show you. It's ready to eat coffee pocket latte. It's a chocolate coffee. I'll have this tomorrow and tell you guys how it went.
How are you gonna tell?
Oh yeah, I'll tell you guys in the next video.
We're starting off with these. 'Cause it's supposed to be like spicy, I guess. And right now we're in Gabby's cute little patio. We decided to change up the scene a little bit because we're always inside.
So don't mind the noise. People are passing by and it's a little windy, so
Warning, our chocolate is uncontrollably hot and may cause sweating and happiness. Can you open it? We got a cup of water. Water's fine. I'm scared.
salty.
No one says no spices. Do you?
Buffalo nest. Oh, there it goes.
Yeah. Oh my god,
There it
that's so
goes.
nasty. That's so nasty.
It's like a little. Give me the chills. It's
Why
like
did
a
it
little.
taste like onion though? And why are you still eating it? Oh, that was so bad.
Rate that from 1 to 10.
0.
2. The cookies from Austria. These are familiar. These are the ones that we buy at Walmart and stuff. But I'm pretty sure these have a different taste. Don't you think, Lisa?
It's good.
It's hazelnut flavor, so it's like the wafers with the Nutella in the middle, kind of. Huh?
I'd buy it again.
Me too.
I'll give it a 6.25.
6. I'll give it a 9. The sub chips. From Italy too. Oh, these smell like the restaurant right away. They're good, but low-key, if you eat them a lot, it's not. They're only good for like...
I didn't really like them.
I wouldn't eat this. I wouldn't continue eating this.
I'll give it a 5.
I'll give it a 6. We have... These are like little macaroons, I think. But from...
It does not say that.
They're actually biscottis. They're from Greece. So let's try it out. Because they have Cardi B nails.
They're cute. They're blue. Tastes like dirt.
Like dirt. It tastes like cookie and yogurt in the middle. Next we have the shrimp chips. From the Hello Kitty collection, right? Oh no. Never mind.
Where do you get that from?
Never mind.
Do we smell it?
Oh! It smells like fish food. You ever have fishies and when you're about to feed them, that little jar?
Hurry up, hurry up.
That's what it smells like. But they're not that bad. They're actually good.
It look, it tastes like a fishy chicharrón. Right? Let me get a second taste.
Let me get a third.
They're not bad.
They're not bad. They're actually good.
Let me get a third taste.
Next we have the Snowballs. These are the coconut covered marshmallows. These are interesting, guys. Let's see how these taste. These ones are from Scotland.
Ready?
Coconut covered marshmallows.
1, 2, 3.
I like it, but it's super sweet.
And it tastes like an almond joy.
It does. I don't have anything to open this.
Check.
What if it says
You have a...
Oh! Okay, it's just twist off again. Next we have the sparkling cucumber beverage. Let's try it out. It smells like straight up cucumber.
It smells like esas paletas de pepino with chili.
It smells good.
Cheers.
Cheers. Ah, it's super sparkly though.
It's good.
We said
I
it's good at the
thought
same
it was
time.
gonna be nasty.
This is good. Cold, like ice cold would be so refreshing.
So good. Oh my god, this literally tastes like, if you guys ever tasted those paletas mexicanas with the green ones, the circle ones with chili, the pepino, like the mango ones, but the pepinos, dude, they're so good. It tastes exactly like this.
This stuff is good on a hot summer.
I would definitely buy this while she sips on her margarita.
So we're gonna try this one. It's chocolate covered in honeycomb.
Honeycomb covered in chocolate.
Honeycomb covered in chocolate. That's not what it says here.
What is
Oh
it?
yeah, it is actually. Honeycomb covered in chocolate.
She always thinks she's right, she's not.
And it's from Germany. So let's see.
Why did you say Australia ahorita?
No, Australia. Did I? Well, it says Australia's, and then in the back it says product from Germany.
So Germany.
So Germany. It's just called Australia's.
It's the same.
Oh god, I got a big ass piece. Can you cut a piece from that?
Show them the texture of it. It's like, it looks like a sponge.
It does look like a sponge. What does it taste like?
It's an interesting taste. And texture.
I never thought these two flavors combined would be so good.
I like the texture.
So next is this chocolate, and this is from... Where is this from? From Germany.
It's supposed to be like bubbly.
Yeah.
It's all melted though.
Oh yeah, I could see like the texture was supposed to be like bubbly, but
We might have messed it up already.
yeah, we left them in the car for a while because we went to go get our boat. Okay, guys, this one is very melted.
You can kind of see.
Yeah, you can kind of see it though. Get a piece. My foot up. Get one piece. Yeah. Very chocolatey. It's chocolatey but super sweet. Okay, now we have this one. This is a chocolate from France. Oh, I like their little packaging. Super cute.
They're supposed to be like truffles.
Yeah, truffles. We're eating a lot of chocolate.
That's all there was, guys. Smells nasty.
I don't like it. Ugh, that was a weird flavor. Ooh, it gave me the chills.
No, the soda and then that one. Because it's too much chocolate right now.
Okay, now next we have this Hollander Specie. It says
Orange soda with cola.
and this comes from Germany as well. So let's try it. For the last, we are going with the Kinder. I guess this is milk chocolate, and this is a product from Germany. We have so much snacks. So the inside is white on this one. Usually they're like crackers. I like it. It's just like milk.
I love this. I used to eat these all the time in Mexico.
And we're done.
Oh, so you thought.
I don't want to do this.
It was Deadass her idea.
Why do I think of ideas and then don't want to do them?
Whatever it lands on, we have to eat it.
Time for this, and I am scared. Who wants to go first? We say we'll go first.
We're all eating it at the same time.
Okay, so whichever
But
one
you're
you
spinning.
get.
Don't
Okay.
just spin it on here. It's easier to spin it on here.
I'm scared to spin.
You go first.
Diosito, por favor. No!
You have to do this one. You can't cheat on that. You can't cheat on that.
That is the hottest one in the game.
Please don't have an asthma attack right in front of me.
Which one is that one though?
It's this one. It needs to spin right.
Yeah.
So we're gonna ask our camera woman
to spin.
Yeah, she has to spin one too.
Spin.
Make sure it comes out.
Habanero. So yours is the orange one. Orange, ma'am.
Where's her milk?
Okay, guys, ready?
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
I'm scared. This is the hottest one.
And she can't handle spiciness. Ready? And no spitting it out, dude. No spitting it out. You have to eat it. No.
Oh hell no.
You have to eat it. You have to eat it. You have to eat it.
No.
Drink your milk. Mix it with it. Mix it with.
Look at my chills.
It was her idea, guys.
I can't anymore. I can't.
I feel like I can't breathe.
Uh-oh, asthma attack coming through.
Guys, I need to go.
What's this? Bye.
Let me see. Y
Habanero.
el anaranjado. Do you think it'll be spicy?
¿Pica?
Dios mío. Dale pica.
No. Espera un momento.
Ay, mi ojo.
Otra vez.
What about the spiciest one?
Okay. Ese es el picante.
No.
And we died. Alright guys, so that was it for today's video. Gabby kind of had like a little mini attack after she...
I felt like I couldn't breathe for a second. I was like, but it only lasted like 2 minutes, but it was freaking strong. So if you play that game, be careful. That caution sign is real. It's serious. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video, and we'll see you guys next week.
Bye!
Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and follow us on our Instagram down below.